hair care, skincare and self-care. And what would be the better stuff section is a magical product. I kid you not, this product helped me a lot. This is my second purchase and I am because I paid for this product. And I think smell भी अच्छी है, tan भी निकाल रहा है and थोड़ा सस्ता version भी है. So you can definitely check this. One of the hype product recently, it was all over the internet. Hi sisters and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is Aisha and I'm back with another video. It's been a longest time since I have spoken about favorite products. So today we are going to dive into skincare, self-care and hair care products. So this is going to be the longest video that I have filmed for you all. So all the products that I will be sharing with you all today are tried and tested and approved. So these products I've been using from 2 months from now, and I thought this would be the right time for me to sit down and speak about this product and share with you all so that it will be helpful. And few of the products that you see in today's video are hyped products. I wanted to give a try and see whether it's worth buying or not. So yes, we're gonna dive into the products, and before that a quick disclaimer: all skin types are different. Mine is sensitive to dry, so products that works for me may not work for you, products that have worked for you may not work for me. So please, as I always say, do a patch test before you try any new product directly to your skin. And please excuse the background noises. This is what I get to hear day and night because मेरा घर main road पे है. And okay, that's that. We shall now dive into the video. And before that, if you have come to my channel for the first time, then hi, my name is Aisha. I create content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel. And on that note, let's get started. Okay, we shall get started. So this video I have divided into 3 sections: hair care, skincare and self-care. So we will start with the hair care products, and then we will move on to the skincare, and then we will move on to the self-care, which makes sense. So let's start. And what would be the better start than starting with this product? This product is one of the hyped product which I wanted to give a try. Now I was little skeptical about buying this product because this retails for 949 rupees, and for a chumpy oil 949 rupees, to be honest मेरे लिए थोड़ा expensive था, because while I'm using the घरेलू नुस्खा by trying the hair growth oil, which was actually working for me. I was using that homemade hair growth oil, and then I wanted to give a try to this oil. So I made my mind and I thought, let me give a try and let me see whether it's worth the hype, whether it's worth buying or spending 949 rupees for a chumpy oil. So now let me tell you the truth, it actually works. So this is how it looks like, luxury, and इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना कि you know, personally I don't feel like using this bottle because ये इतना cute सा bottle है, and like, should I like just keep it as it is or should I use it? Whenever I use it, I'll make sure कि मैं बहुत कम quantity में use कर रही हूँ, so that it should be long lasting, because I paid for this product. If I'm not wrong, I've been using this product from the month of September, since I was living in a different city. वहाँ का पानी मुझे सूट नहीं कर रहा था. Because of that, I was facing the severe hair fall problem. I was also facing with the dandruff. I was also facing with the frizziness. So these were the issues what I was facing until the month of August. I wouldn't say this is the only product which helped me to fix all my issue, but I will say कि थोड़ा बहुत help किया है इसने for the hair growth and also for the dandruff. These are the 2 things which I observed after using this product. So this product is worth buying, but if you feel कि 949 rupees थोड़ा expensive है for 50 ml bottle, then you can let me know. I will for sure recommend some DIY nuska, so that it should be helpful for you all for the hair growth. So that was the first product from the hair care section. Now we shall move on to the second product, which is absolutely worth buying. So I'm talking about this hype product, oh my god, this was all over the internet and I had to get my hands on this product. So this is the Wishcare hair growth serum, which you need to apply every night before you go to the bed. And it's not like, it doesn't make your hair greasy. So I've been applying this and I can see the results, and this retails for 699 rupees, which is worth buying, I think. And if you're facing with hair fall problem, and if you are looking for a hair growth serum or hair growth products, then you can definitely invest your money in this product, and you can actually see the difference in less than a month. And I'm actually loving the fact how the combo is working for me, the oil and the serum. So it is actually helping for the hair growth. So if you want, you can definitely check this product. And now we're gonna move on to the last product from the hair care section. Now moving on to the last product, what I have from the hair care section is a magical product. I kid you not, this product helped me a lot. So recently I got my hair coloring done, and because of that my hair, I damaged my hair, and I was not at all taking care of my hair properly, and because of the water and everything, in short, it was completely damaged. So then I was looking for a product which can fix all this issue. I kid you not, this actually helped a lot. So this is by Love Beauty and Planet, which has onion, black seed oil and patchouli. I don't know what is that. So it has onion, which is really good for your hair. It gives you that salon finish look. एकदम मस्त silky हो जाते हैं आपके बाल. So now you don't have to spend lot of money on the hair spa. You can get your hands on this product. It actually retails for 600 rupees, but you can get a good discount. I got it for 420 rupees. I think from Nykaa I ordered it, and I got it for 420 rupees. Nykaa या Amazon, I am not sure. So I got it for 420 rupees, which is worth paying, and it is affordable. So एक hair spa का 1000-2500 हो ही जाता है, depends on the parlor you go to. And इसमें I think 10 to 15 spa तो easily मिल जाएंगे. तो 420 rupees for 10 to 15 spas, I will for sure go with this product, and इसका मैं repurchase भी ज़रूर करूँगी. So this was the last product from the hair care section. Now we shall move on to the skincare products, and I have also noticed that in total I have like 9 products, which is 3 from each section. 3 from hair care, which I've completed, 3 from skincare, and 3 from self-care product. So the first product has to be this hyped product, which I wanted to give a try, and I was looking for a good toner, and then I got my hands on this toner. This one I got it very recently, and this retails for 1200 rupees. So far I am loving this toner. I use this for my PM routine, for my AM routine. So talking about this toner actually helps to remove the excess oil जो skin आपकी natural oil produce करती है. It helps to remove that, which is a plus point, because I think I was looking for a product like that जो स्किन को ऑयली ना बनाए, एंड इट हैज़ टू बी like on the dry side, more like on the dry side. So in short, I will for sure recommend this product, and make sure you are investing your money in a good skincare product which works for you. Just because of the hype, do not buy any products, and before you invest your money in any of the skincare product or makeup product, do a little research, because that really helps. And let's be real here, I don't think so सारे hype product work करते हैं, and वो work करते भी होंगे तो it may not work for all the skin type, or I don't know. Most of the hype product has not worked for me, so to be honest. So the second product is a cleanser, and this cleanser is by The Face Shop. It is a soothing foam cleanser. This cleanser, I kid you not, it is a good cleanser. Honestly, if you can see, I've like used it, almost I finished it, and this was my second purchase. So I've been using this from months, and we shall wait for this. I'm trying to include this product for my AM PM skincare routine, and every time I go out and I come back, I go with this cleanser. And yes, it is actually helping me. This is one of the best cleanser that I have come across so far. I'm not really sure whether it is actually for all the skin types, but I will mention it somewhere. And I forgot the price of this product. So MRP, it is written 500 rupees, but I think I got it for 350 rupees, less than 400. I'm sure about that. You can actually invest your money on this cleanser. You can give a try. And yes, this was the second product from the skincare section. Now let's move on to the last product from the skincare section, is a serum, and this is the vitamin C serum by the Derma Co. So I recently got this vitamin C serum, and I did a lot of research. So vitamin C is really important for your skin. Make sure you're including vitamin C serum in your AM routine or a PM routine. In any of the routine, you need to include a vitamin C, and yes, it helps a lot to brighten the skin. And this retails for, I think, less than 300 rupees. I am not really sure. I will for sure mention it somewhere. So yes, I was looking for a vitamin C serum, and then I was confused between the Garnier, because that is one of the most known product for vitamin C. I thought of going with that, and I also researched the other product, but then I got my hands on this one because I had used the niacinamide serum from the Derma Co. So I thought, let me give a try for the vitamin C from the same brand. And yes, so far I'm liking this product. I have nothing much to speak about this product. I just wanted to include the vitamin C, and I got a vitamin C serum. अब ये इतना मेरे स्किन पे क्या कर रहा है, I don't know, because इतने products यूज़ करने के बाद you will not know कि which product is doing what. थोड़ा confusion हो ही जाती है, but then I will see. इसको अकेले यूज़ करके देखेंगे कि क्या होगा. And that was the face serum. The last section is the self-care. You know how much I love self-care. I love having the home spa. I love to, make a proper atmosphere and do a proper pamper routine, self-care routine, weekend routine. So I thought, why not share some of the products with you all, so that it will be helpful if you're looking for good self-care products. I thought I will include that as well in this video. So the first product has to be this one. This is the body wash by the brand Plum. It is in vanilla vibes, and talking about this product, it was all over the internet, and I thought, let me give a try and get this product. And this retails for 380 rupees. So I got it between 300 to 320 rupees, which I'm not really sure. Now let's talk about the fragrance of this product. It smells like vanilla. For me, the problem with the vanilla is it should not be like too strong, because मुझे वहाँ पे headache हो जाती है. And if you're someone who loves vanilla, then you can definitely check this product. And since it is a winter season, you can actually try this product. It helps a lot to moisturize your skin. एकदम सॉफ्ट सिल्की स्मूथ फिनिशिंग मिल जाती है ये प्रोडक्ट से, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन ट्राई दिस प्रोडक्ट. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट व्हाट आई हैव फ्रॉम द सेल्फ केयर, not routine section. Now let's move on to the second product. What I have from the self-care section is a body scrub, and this body scrub is by M Caffeine. It is in the flavor Blueberry Breeze. So you all know, when it comes to body scrub, we were in love with that Dove body scrub. I still love that product, but it is little bit expensive. 600 का आता है, which is long lasting. अच्छे खासे महीने यूज़ कर सकते हो आप. बट उसका अगर आपको कुछ सस्ता वर्जन चाहिए, then you can check this product. This retails for 449 rupees, but again इस पे भी डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. So this product helps to remove the tan, and इसमें कॉफ़ी भी है, and I think स्मेल भी अच्छी है, टैन भी निकाल रहा है, एंड थोड़ा सस्ता वर्जन भी है. तो you can definitely check this product. And now moving to the last product of this video, what I have today to share with you. It is one of the hype product. Recently it was all over the internet, and I was talking about this product. This is the Gluta-Hya serum in lotion, basically a body lotion, and this is by Vaseline. This retails for 325 rupees, which is worth buying, and इसमें vitamin C है, which is really good for your skin, and body के लिए भी vitamin C is really important, and ये इतना सही रहेगा अगर आप beach vacation पे जा रहे हो, then you apply this lotion, it will be like perfect for your body. So this was the last product. And on that note, we have come to end of this video. I hope you people will like the video and this video will be helpful for you all. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.